Welcome back guys to another new video. So I'm just doing a little short video on engine mount. So these are two engine mount, one for the rear of your car, and this is a side engine mount. This one come off the top of the transmission. So if you find your vehicle vibrating and put in gear, so for instance you put it in drive and it keeps vibrating, these are the reason behind it. So as you can see, this is a tear engine mount, tear out. Also this one damaged real bad. This was in here like this, but it tear out. So if you find your car vibrating, these are the problem. Bad engine mount. So these mount come out of a 2007 caliber, Dodge caliber, yeah. And this is the rear one, put like this on the rear, and this one comes from this side like this. This one bolt to the side like this. So these bad mount cause the car to vibrating like earthquake. So you can see there are two right here, yeah. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you next time.